Welcome back everyone. Bit of a change today for you all. Out on boat, lure fishing with my mate James. Here he is.
Hey up mate.
Taking me for a go up river. Took me to a lovely little spot here. Gonna use some light lures, fishing for perch, maybe a few jack pike. Get back to you soon. Moving peg now. Beautiful river. Choked it.
The smoker.
Yep. Another one. Found a little hole now. Yeah.
Good man, good man.
Yes. I've got it here. Nice one.
Oh, it's a nice bird. Get that now, brother. Get that now. Get that now.
Yes.
Good man.
Beautiful. Proper one. Get in. Proper fish. Beautiful perch. Go on, give it a right strap. Yes. Get in. That was on that bigger one you said. Choked it. Look. Oh, nice. I'll let you rest in there. You go. Where did that come from?
We're Ronald McDonald.
Yeah, it looks banging here, doesn't it?
And if I just keep going like that, oh, it might just keep moving.
Come on. Oh, big perch. Oh mate, it's a 3-pounder. It's a 3-pounder. It's right below us. It's right below us. It's a 3-pounder. Mate, oh my God, did you see it? Oh. Oh, the fucking lure's not working. No. No. No, it was a 3-pounder. It didn't spook. No, Woodall.
This feature is just absolutely blissful in there. We'll get this set back up.
Oh no! Did you see it? Did you not see it, mate? It was like that. It was massive. I seen it perfect with his glasses on. come up and muzzled it, and like I should have struck. Yeah, where you know there's big fish as well. Yeah, I've got it, I've got that fish. No, it's not that one, it's a different one. Yeah, it's proper fighting this, it's got to be a pike. No, it's a perch, it's got to be a perch. Come on, be a perch. It could be the one I've seen.
It could very well be, yeah.
It's fighting like mad.
Is it shaking its head?
Yeah. Is it a little jack?
Yeah, well,
Never. Yeah, I'll gaff him up. Gonna jump. Come here, you little greedy bugger. Come here. Oh, Jackie. Jackie Chan. See ya. A nice fish that. Unless it's a pike.
oh no, it's a perch.
Oh, it's a big perch. That's the one I've seen, you know. I'm sure it is. Big perch.
Oh, she's gonna go for anchor.
Let's patch that net over.
Yeah. There she is, she. Oh, she's there. Oh, there, you little shit. She knows what she's doing. It's really you, isn't it? There we go.
Yes! Get in. Get in.
Comfort, bro.
Booming.
Comfort.
Get in. Yes.
Right, fuck. Let's have another go. Man. Keep her in there and get this. Oh shit.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. I enjoyed doing it. Some nice perch there. James with a 35cm right at end. I've had a couple of 30s, lost a big perch, little jack pike, loads and loads of little perch in between. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.